Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first challenge of this particular Superbadge, which is Epics for Agentforce, let's take up our second challenge. And also we are providing solution for all the Agentblazer Legend series in our channel. So I'll provide that playlist link in description. Do check that. And let's click on launch. And now let's click on this gear icon followed by developer console. So here if we click on file followed by open, so type guest review over here and open guest review processor, and here remove this old code. So here we have to paste this. So we have done some modification in this, and I will provide this code in our first pinned comment. So do check that. And now click on Ctrl S. Let's save this. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our challenge 2 as well. So remaining these two challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe.